back to 5-Minute Astrology. Today I'm going to guide you through creating your very own astrology chart using the free tools on astro-seek. Grab your birth details because in just a few minutes you'll have your personalized birth chart ready to explore. To begin, open up your favorite web browser and head to astro-seek.com. We're going to use the free tools on this website to generate your natal astrology chart. Now, once you're on the astro-seek homepage, look no further than the top menu. You'll spot the free horoscopes or birth chart calculator option. Click on one of these links and you're on your way to unlocking the secrets of your birth chart. Let's dive into the details. Input your birth date, time and place. Remember, accuracy counts, especially with your birth time, so take the time to get the best information that you can rather than guesstimating. Even a difference of 30 minutes can completely change the way your chart reads. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to consult your parents or your birth records. Click that Calculate or Generate button and watch as astro-seek works its magic to create your unique birth chart. And there it is, your very own birth chart with all its symbols, planets, zodiac signs and houses. The tabs at the top of the chart will let you see your chart shape, which is important, a list of the aspects on your chart, and useful information about the dominant positions and points on your birth chart. Click the Print Chart button at the bottom of the page to get a copy of your birth chart. For those who want a more complete picture, it might be time to stop web wandering your way to astrology and take an online course. Building your astrology know-how starts with understanding planets, signs, houses, and aspects. You'll find details below in the comments section on how to enroll in my course, An Introduction to Natal Astrology, on the Udemy learning platform. This link will take you to the Modern Astrology website, which will give you a complete description of everything you'll learn. And if you click the link at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to enroll at a special discounted rate. Bravo! With your freshly created birth chart from astro-seek, you've embarked on a quest of cosmic discovery and self-awareness. Keep those questions and insights coming in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more enlightening astrological adventures. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars.